I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select SliceWP. Connect. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. To complete the integrations, you must log into your site. Here are some advanced features. Under the action, click on the checkboxes, choose the status and type. Here is the conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to my other user site and fill up the forms with variable data. Submit it. Now go to your SliceWP dashboard. Navigate to the commissions. Here you can see that the commission was added successfully to the user affiliate. Thanks for watching.